I'm here to see Little Tornadoes.
Little tornadoes.
Little tornadoes.
Jack, do you cook?
It wonderfully captured small town living.
It really moved me.
Well, we're migrants ourselves, so we related to it.
Right.
The way they interacted was my history. I'm actually quite a bit emotional.
Spectacular, really beautiful.
I wasn't expecting it to sort of hit home that much. It was incredible.
Authentic and realistic.
100% it's a film every Australian should see.